Hello, welcome back. I am reviewing the AKZ Tools aluminum paintbrush holder, the large size, which holds 74 brushes. I'm so excited for this one. I get to keep my workspace organized and my brushes ready to go. It's an aluminum brush holder, and I got the large one that will hold 74 brushes. It will actually hold like 28 normal brushes and some small brushes and extra small brushes and large brushes, and the total is 74. This is the large brush holder and it retails at $119, but totally worth it because it saves me space and it keeps my brushes clean and nice when I am not using my brushes. So I think it's well worth it, and I have been using this for about 3 weeks and I really love the accessibility. I can just reach up and grab the brush that I'm looking for and start painting, and then when I am not, when the brushes are still wet, I just have them right on my washcloth so I can keep them dry. So it's a really awesome system. What I love about this brush holder is that it was so easy to set up. It's just a little clamp, and then I just like squeeze it onto the edge of my desk, and then I have these brushes. I also love that there's like 4 different sizes. There's a small, medium, large, and extra large slots for the brushes, and I really am grateful for those as well because I have all different types of handles that will work. And I love this aluminum. It is lighter, so it's not heavy. It's not gonna hurt anything. It's not gonna hurt your desk or wherever you're at. And I just cannot, I think every crafter or every painter should have one of these holders because it really does save space, and it's easy accessible. I have my favorite brushes at the front, and then the ones that I use not as much towards the back. So it is really a handy brush holder to have. I have this wonderful brush holder, and it will hold all my brushes in the way that I want them to. And Ariella, who developed this product, is amazing. I'm so happy that she came out with this brush holder. I am just so happy to have it. So thank you so much, Ariella. And check out AKZ Tools. It's at akztools.com, and let them know that Lisa sent you or Watercolor Card sent you. And I sure appreciate it. Thank you so much.